So again, doesn't matter what number we multiply the top and bottom by as long as it's the same thing. So that would be 2 times 2 is 4, 6 times 2 is 12. Just choosing numbers. I'll choose a 5 on this one. 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 5 is 25. That makes an equivalent fraction. Your next one, you're finding the sum. So this first one's 15, regroup 1, 17, regroup 1, 8, 7, 9, 13, and it's supposed to be in a 5. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So 1,397,875. Here, next one is a word problem. Marvin has 4 books to read for homework this week. If he reads 2/3 of a book each night, how many nights will it take him to read all 4 books? So he's reading 2/3 of the 4. So that's 4. So what we're starting out with, divided into 2/3. So we're doing keep, change, flip. So that's 4 over 1 times 3 over 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2. That's improper. There are 6 groups of 2 and 12, so it's going to take him 6 nights to read all 4 books. Okay. The next one, we have a division problem. Put a piece of paper up in here so we'll have something to write on here. We're doing 33, so I'm going to start my list of multiples to help me out a little bit here. It's 12, carry 1, 132, and 33 would be 160. And 33 would be 198, and 33. Let's just write this one. We have divided into 6,789. Now, there we go. Okay, got to go into 67, so I can't go over, so I'm using my 66. Putting my 2 above my 7, subtracting 66. 1, bring down the 8. 33 does not go into 18, so that is a 0. We're subtracting 0, so I have 189. That's going to have to be 165. That's as close as I can get. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 165. That gives me 424. So we could say remainder. $73.5. 9 minus 8.801. Here's the problem. There's some empty spots up there, so we're going to have to add some zeros. So I'm going to add some zeros up here. Okay. We're going to have to regroup because we can't say 0 minus 1. So I've got to go all the way over here and back. So he's an 8. He'll be a 9 because I'm going to have to borrow from him, and he's a 10. So that's 9, 9, 0. You have to regroup again. 6, and that makes that a 13. So that's 5, 6. Decimal goes straight down. So 65 and 99 thousandths. The next one is asking you for multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 27. Multiples of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. They want the least number they have in common, the least common multiple. So least is going to be 6. So your LCM is 6. Okay. Next, we're writing ratios, the number of pencils to erasers in simplest form. Pencils to erasers. All right, let's count our pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils to 2 erasers. In simplest form, 2 goes into these. So that would be 5 over 1. So 5 pencils to 1 eraser. Okay? All right, next one. 3 apples cost $6. How much does 1 apple cost? Well, you could just match it up and make them in groups. Or we could say, okay, $6 for 3 apples is equal to how much to 1 apple? So how do you get from here to here? We divide it by 3. So to get from here to here, you're going to divide by 3. So that's going to be $2. $2 for 1 apple. Okay, that's it for Monday night's homework.